Just another great place to sit and be here at Mount Madonna. I just love this waterfall, so I just wanted to share with you guys really quickly. Sometimes the picture doesn't do it justice, just sitting here listening to this sound. Just so awesome. Over there you might be able to see it a little bit in the background, the orange top, that's the temple. And then just behind me is the bench I was just sitting at, along with these enormous redwoods just behind me. So the quiet and just the energy around here is just amazing. Just wanted to share that with you. The steps that lead to the temple. And yeah, it's just real cool waterfall. It's a beautiful day.